This looks so tiny. It's like tights, putting on tights. I hate that, by the way. It's really like working with tights. Carnivore Girl's Creative Carnivore Kitchen. No plants, no dairy, the next level cooking show. Carnivore recipes with meat, fish, seafood, eggs, gelatin, flavored seltzer, water, and salt. From super easy to complicated, from quickly done to many hours in the kitchen. I always say everybody's body and brain are different, and you gotta figure out what works best for you. The carnivore lifestyle has tremendous benefits, healing effects, and is the best elimination diet. There are many different ways how to do carnivore. I found a way that momentarily works the best for me. In this cooking show, I'll show you it doesn't have to be boring and can be very creative, delicious, and fun. I already created so many carnivore recipes on Instagram at karnivorgirl, and I have this never-ending list on my phone with tons of ideas. My brain is a gift and a curse. Have fun with this episode. Welcome to my Creative Carnivore Kitchen. I am Carnivore Girl. Today I am wearing this, whatever this is. And today, happy World Vegetarian Day. So we're gonna make something special. First off, I apologize. So my ring light doesn't work anymore. It's broken. I already ordered a new one, but I turned on all the lights here, so I hope you can see me. Well, I don't really care if you can see me. You don't need to see me. I hope you can see the food. As I mentioned, World Vegetarian Day. So we want to make something extra meaty, of course. So I can actually see what I'm doing. Let's put on my glasses. This is a leg of lamb, no bones. I love bones, but it was a good price. So I was like, oh yeah, but I have a good idea for this leg of lamb roast I wanna do. So it's good that the bones are gone. It's in a net, and we're actually also gonna use this net, yes. So, and I have some shrimp already cooked, and as you can see, maybe here, I also, the cooking juice here, I saved that too. And just some cooked chicken breast and eggs. I don't know how many yet I will need. And of course, you're gonna also use salt. So I'm going to heat up the oven, bake 500, just the hottest. So I took the leg of lamb out of the net. I keep the net. I wanna use that. And I cut it open even more. You see, like this flap here, this flap here. And I cut off some meat, as you can see here. This is because I need that tomorrow, because I want some lamb meat for charring. So I'm gonna put the video here that I'm gonna make tomorrow, but I know this will get aired earlier than that recipe. So that's why I cut some meat off. So just so you know, you don't have to do that. Well, you can if you want some meat for something else. So right now I'm gonna just close that up. And here I have the shrimp with the juice, and I didn't add any salt because shrimp are usually already pretty salty by itself. Well, you gotta taste it. Pretty sure there are different kinds of shrimp and they taste differently. So I'm gonna blend those. So I blended the shrimp. They here, let's put those away. And here I'm gonna make scrambled eggs. You can make scrambled eggs in so many different ways. I just might turn up the heat of the stove very high, put in the eggs, add some salt, and scramble them. I usually let them sit for a while until they start to get a little bit firm, and then I just keep scrambling a bit. So as I said, there's so many different ways to make scrambled eggs. Bigger curds, small curds, still soft or totally cooked through, however you want. I wouldn't do it too soft, so they stable enough to work with. You will see. So I see. I turned the heat off already because it stays warm for quite a while. Unfortunately, I don't have gas. So my lamb is opened up again, and first I want to add salt. Oh shit, that's the that one is fine. Ah, it's good. It's not. I thought I had this salt because you see that one. I need to do that. I actually do like using different salts. I just used the Sicilian sea salt, and now I'm using pink Himalayan salt. Now we want to start, continue with the shrimp mousse here, shrimp paste, and I just want to spread it on. So, as always, the exact description will be in the show notes. How many grams of shrimp I used and stuff like that. And now the scrambled eggs. And now the chicken breast, I just want to have like pulled chicken on it. So I didn't pull it apart yet, but you see here I can pull these off. So I just want to do this. Okay, now let's try to put that back together and put it back in here. Oh wow. Okay, we have those flaps here. Now I think we should, oh, that's a good, we just roll it up. Okay. Now, oh my gosh, this looks so tiny. It's like tights, putting on tights. I hate that, by the way. Or yoga pants, what I'm not a fan of either, even though I'm wearing a pair right now. Ugh. Really could use some help, you know, someone holding that up, but we will get to it. I don't want to press too much because I don't want to push the filling out. Okay, we got it on a little bit. So not much fell out, but whatever fell out, I just pushed back in somewhere. And that's a cool thing about that net. So, should get more here. So you see, everything stays nicely in place. So like here, it's all tucked in. When you use kitchen twine and truss it or bind it, I don't know, like make a roast, it's much harder. With this, it's actually cool. Look, it's really like working with tights. I like to add a lot more salt around it. Okay, and I like to put it in here because I can close that without having to use aluminum foil. The oven is preheated to 500, the hottest. So actually I'm gonna put it in like this first. So uncover for 15 minutes. So 15 minutes are over, so I'm gonna reduce the heat to 325, and I wanna cover it up now. Just gonna do that like this. So, and now, I want mine not very well done. I guess I'm gonna check after 40 minutes, maybe earlier. Okay, I left mine in for 44 minutes. I like mine really rare. Let's see, well, I used the thermometer and it's very rare inside, according to that. Let's check that later, but it also expanded, it almost lifted up the lid, kind of funny. But what I decided what I want to do, I just like more color, right? So let's put it in my cast iron pan that I used for the scrambled eggs. Oh my gosh. Oh, nice. Okay, so instead of cutting off the net here, and I'm just gonna torch because I want to torch anyways, and I just let it destroy to get more color. Now take this off. Ooh, careful, it's hot. So, and actually I get a nice pattern, do you see? Now I wanna, yeah, be careful not to get little pieces like I just did. Like this one here. So. Perfect. Okay. I hope it's not gonna, oh, that was my fear. Oh, look, very nice. I only torched it on this side because I just wanted some nice Maillard effect that looks really nice. Yeah, now the net is gone, of course, it bursts open. I think when I cut it, it will just, everything will come out, but yeah, let's check. I don't even know how I should open that. nice. Oh, perfect for me. So yeah, I like mine very rare. See here, that's also why I used shrimp and eggs and chicken already cooked, because I'm not worried if anything, oh, the chicken is not cooked through enough, the shrimp, they were already cooked. So I like this. Ooh. So I got all this juice and fat from the roast. Of course, I'm not gonna throw this away, but I don't need it right now, but I don't need it to eat it with this, because it's so juicy. I have a lot more in here, but I'm gonna keep this maybe for a soup or for something else. So here I cut a piece from the lamb, like nice fat. Ooh. Oh yeah. Ah, so good. This is really good. So I have to eat it. I eat with my hands. So I want some filling. Let's see. Okay, here's like a nice, some lamb and the shrimp and egg and chicken. The filling also came out, so I can like take a piece of lamb and scoop up some filling. Oh yeah. Really good. Oh, get that nice color. This is so good. Happy World Vegetarian Day. Enjoy World Vegetarian Day with a lot of meat. Don't forget to eat extra meat, a lot of meat. So all the vegetarians and vegans that think they make a difference, they don't at all, because we eat double, 3 times as much meat and seafood and fish and eggs. Actually, vegetarian eat eggs. Anyway, that was my recipe for today, and it's really delicious. See you next time, hopefully with more light again. Servus! Thanks for watching. If you try out this recipe, please tag me and let me know how you like it. Subscribe, share, like, comment, follow me on Instagram @karnivorgirl. See you next week in my next episode of Carnivore Girl's Creative Carnivore Kitchen. No plants, no dairy, the next level cooking show.